As Walter's dark power casts a shadow over the magical dimension, he absorbs spell after spell, growing stronger by the minute. With the Winx Club dispatched on a vital mission far from home, Alfea's defenses are left lighter than usual. This is the moment the tricks have been waiting for. Aisha, Darcy, and Stormy, ever the opportunists, decide it is the perfect time to strike a target they have long coveted, the hidden Pixie village, a place bursting with ancient and powerful magic. They think it'll be an easy win, a quick grab and go to impress their new master, Walter, but they've made a classic villainous mistake. They've completely underestimated their opponents. Back at Alfea, the Pixies are anything but oblivious. The ever-loyal companions of the Winx, like the brilliant Digit and the courageous Livy, aren't just sitting around. Their tiny ears pick up on the Trix's wicked whispers, and they realize the imminent danger to their home. A wave of determination washes over them. Tired of being seen as just cute sidekicks, they know this is their chance to prove their worth. Without a moment's hesitation, they decide they won't wait for the Winx to come and save the day. This is their fight. With a flurry of tiny wings, the Pixie army zips back to their village, setting up a defense with a resolve that would make the Winx proud. They are ready to protect their home and their magic, no matter the cost. Soon, the Trix descend upon the tranquil Pixie village, their laughter echoing through the trees as they anticipate an easy victory. They see the tiny defenders and scoff. Is this a joke? Aisha sneers, her voice dripping with disdain. We're supposed to be scared of these little pests? But the Pixies aren't intimidated. They stand their ground, their small forms radiating immense courage. The battle begins. The Trix unleash their signature dark magic blasts of ice, waves of hypnotic illusions, and gusts of stormy chaos. But the Pixies are nimble and clever. They dodge and weave, using their unique abilities in perfect harmony. They create dazzling light shields, tangle the witches in enchanted vines, and disorient them with confusing pixie dust. The Trix are getting frustrated. How are these tiny creatures putting up such a fight? In a fit of rage, Aisha unleashes a powerful but reckless spell, aiming to obliterate the entire village square. But the Pixies are prepared. Piff, the Pixie of sweet sleep, has been waiting for this moment. As the dark energy hurtles towards them, Piff lets out a powerful magical yawn. It's a seemingly harmless ability, but when combined with the ambient magic of the village, it has an unexpected effect. Instead of putting everyone to sleep, the spell warps and rebounds, striking the Pixies themselves. But it doesn't harm them. Instead, a strange light envelops them, and they begin to grow, and grow, and grow. In seconds, the Pixies are towering over the Trix, now looking like giants next to the stunned witches. The tables have turned in the most hilarious way possible. The Pixies, now 10 times their normal size, look down at the Trix, who for the first time look genuinely scared. The battle becomes almost comical. A giant Livy simply picks Darcy up and places her on top of a very tall mushroom. A massive Digit reprograms Stormy's storm cloud to rain glittery confetti instead of lightning. Aisha finds herself trapped in a giant hug from Amor, the Pixie of love, completely neutralizing her icy demeanor. The Trix are utterly defeated, not by brute force, but by cleverness and a bit of magical absurdity. Watching this whole embarrassing spectacle from a dark portal, Walter is far from impressed. Disgusted by his minions' incompetence, he barks a single order: retreat. The Trix scramble away, humiliated and empty-handed. As the Pixies shrink back to their normal size, a huge cheer erupts throughout the village. They did it. They saved their home all by themselves. Their victory is a powerful reminder that heroes come in all sizes, and courage is the most powerful magic of all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more magical adventures.